Welcome to this channel, where sparks meet imagination and ordinary metal transforms into breathtaking art. And today, we dive deep into a world where creativity is literally forged in fire. As you step into this space, prepare to witness the raw beauty that comes from shaping steel, bending iron, and welding discarded metal into forms that speak with bold expression. This is more than just a craft. It's a heartbeat, a passion, and a journey of turning cold, rigid material into living, meaningful art. Today, we explore metal welding art, a craft that blends strength with elegance, precision with emotion, and technical skill with pure creativity. It is a realm where every strike of the welder produces not just heat and sparks, but also possibilities. Possibilities for sculptures, functional decor, wall art, furniture, and imaginative pieces that tell unique stories. As you watch and learn, you'll realize that metal art isn't just for experts. It's for anyone willing to dream boldly and work with dedication. Metal welding art continues to grow rapidly around the world because people crave real craftsmanship, authentic textures, and bold designs that stand out from mass-produced decor. The beauty of welded art lies in its ability to merge industrial ruggedness with artistic grace. Whether it's a delicate flower sculpted from scrap metal or a massive modern installation created from steel rods, each piece holds a sense of permanence and personality that no other medium can replicate. Every metal artwork begins with a simple idea, a spark of inspiration, a sketch, a vision of what the raw materials can become. What makes welding art truly special is the transformation process. Rusty nails, abandoned car parts, leftover steel bars, broken tools, and scrap metal pieces all have potential waiting to be unlocked. When heat meets metal and the welder's hands guide the design, these forgotten fragments come together to form stunning creations with purpose and style. The process of welding itself is a dramatic performance. The bright flare of the torch, the molten line of metal being shaped, the clinking sound of tools, and the gradual reveal of the artwork all create a visual and emotional experience that captivates both the maker and the viewer. This energy is what draws millions of people to metal art videos, tutorials, and displays. They want to see the transformation from rough material to polished masterpiece. Watching metal art come to life is not just entertaining, it's deeply inspiring. It teaches problem solving, persistence, and resourcefulness. You learn how every piece of metal has a function, how angles matter, how shaping, heating, cooling, and joining all demand attention and care. This passion inspires viewers to explore their own creativity, whether by starting small with scrap metal crafts or dreaming big with large-scale sculptures. Metal welding art also opens doors to meaningful self-expression. Some artists create symbolic sculptures, others craft modern home decor, while others design functional items like chairs, lamps, and outdoor features. Each weld, each shape, and each design decision carries the artist's signature. Viewers are drawn to these personal stories, stories of turning imagination into something real and lasting, stories of bringing beauty out of tough and humble materials. Beyond its artistic appeal, metal welding art has become a powerful business opportunity. Handmade welded pieces often sell at high prices because they are durable, unique, and visually striking. Art collectors, homeowners, restaurants, hotels, and even public spaces embrace metal art for its strength and modern flair. As more people discover the value of custom metal creations, the demand continues to grow, making this craft both fulfilling and profitable. Many creators start with simple projects: roses made from spoons, animal silhouettes from sheet metal, small garden decorations, or minimalist wall designs. These beginner-friendly pieces build confidence, skill, and an audience. Once they master the basics, they move on to advanced sculptures, functional furniture, and intricate art installations. This journey, shared online through videos and content like this, inspires countless new welders to begin their creative path. Today's content aims to ignite that same passion in you. Whether you are new to welding or already experienced, this channel brings ideas, techniques, inspirations, and real examples to help you grow. The world of welded art is huge, and we're here to explore every angle: scrap metal projects, modern sculptures, rustic decor, abstract forms, useful builds, and innovative designs that push the boundaries of creativity. As you continue watching, you'll feel the excitement of discovery, the thrill of creation, and the satisfaction of seeing something powerful emerge from raw metal. Our goal is to guide you, inspire you, and share the joy that comes from welding art. Every video you watch, every idea you explore, and every comment you share helps build a community of makers, dreamers, and artists who appreciate the soul of handcrafted metalwork. Thank you for joining this channel today and exploring the incredible world of metal welding art. Your support means everything, and it keeps this creative journey alive. If you enjoyed this content and want more inspiring ideas, tutorials, and artistic transformations, make sure to subscribe, like the video, and leave your thoughts in the comments. Your engagement helps us grow and bring even more powerful creations to life. Thank you once again, and welcome to this amazing community.